Understanding Transplanting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and use of the word transplanting. This term is not only prevalent in everyday conversation but also represents a significant concept in various fields. Let's explore this interesting term together. Transplanting refers to the action of moving a plant, organ, or tissue from one place to another. In gardening, it involves moving a plant from one location to another, usually to provide more space or better growing conditions. In medicine, it's about transferring an organ or tissue from one body to another, often to save or improve a life. In the context of gardening, transplanting is a critical process. It's done when a plant outgrows its current pot or when it needs different soil conditions. The key steps involve carefully removing the plant from its original location, preparing the new site, and ensuring the plant adapts well to its new environment. This process is crucial for the health and growth of the plant. Medical transplanting is a highly specialized field. It involves transferring organs like hearts, kidneys, or livers from donors to recipients who need them. This complex procedure requires a team of skilled medical professionals and is often a life-saving measure. It's a testament to the advancements in medical science and the value of human life. Apart from its literal meanings, transplanting can also be used metaphorically. It may symbolize a significant change or a fresh start, like someone transplanting their life to a new city or country for a job or personal reasons. This metaphorical use captures the essence of moving and adapting to new environments or situations. We hope this video has shed light on the diverse meanings and applications of transplanting. Whether it's in your garden or in a medical context, this term has profound implications. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but the ideas and cultures they represent. Keep exploring, and happy learning!